Oh, just like that. Just like that. And it's a crappie. It's a crappie. That's what I'm trying to catch. First time using these lures. This is my first cast with this lure. And this is the first fish we caught all day, which was a crappie. Pretty awesome. Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm going to give you an overview of these lures that come in this case. Pretty cool stuff. There's a variety of different weights. Here's one of the lures. So the kit comes with a variety of different types of lures. You have, this looks like a crawdad, and you got these which are like shad. Nice looking lures. These are kind of like grubs. There's another crawdad color here. Kind of cool because these float, these little pockets up here. So when this is laying down, it floats. A lot of cool different lures here. A whole bunch of good ones. This is one of my favorites. This is a great one. This is a lifelike frog. Good action on it. This comes with actually weighted hooks specifically for this. Just a lot of different good lures and actions. A couple different weight sizes. Smaller ones, bigger ones. Some tube lures, tube jigs. You even have your own, I call these offset hooks. In the tray itself, these all can be separated or adjust the type of size lure that you want in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 different types of lures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different size weights plus hooks. Just got a full set of everything from bass, crappie, bluegill. Just a good overall good set with a nice plastic case. Very, very cool. Here's an example of a chartreuse weight, the eye on it. One of these grub looking things. Nice little lure. And just like that, we have ourselves a crappie. That is awesome. First time using these lures. This is my first cast with this lure. And this is the first fish we caught all day, which was a crappie. Pretty awesome. Full disclosure, this company sent this pack to me and said, hey Ryan, can you give a little tutorial, a little overview, tell us what you think? More importantly, does it catch fish? Obviously it does. Hopefully any and all your questions got answered, and we'll talk to you soon.